Hello everyone, in this video we will be installing our outless valley plate.
So now that we have all the wires disconnected, it'll make it very easy to pull this intake manifold off. Now with the plate and gasket removed, you want to clean the surface to make sure there's not any residue that cause any leaks. Make sure you place your new gasket the right way. Now you can set the new valley plate on top. Now with the valley plate in place, we can begin to hand tight these so we can torque them down to spec. Now with these valley plate bolts nice and snug, we can begin to torque them down to 18 foot-pounds.
Make sure to follow the factory torque sequence.
One of the last pieces to this valley plate is a filler neck. You can use it to fill your oil, and you can use this barb fitting to ventilate your motor. If your manifold sits too low and you don't have room for the filler neck, you can easily remove it and use this cap directly at the valley plate.